Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am here with another very important topic, psychology. Psychology. In this video we will discuss what psychology is and why psychology play an important role in nursing practice. So stay with me till the end of this video because this video will really helping nursing student. So what is psychology? Psychology is the scientific study of behavior and mental processes. जैसे कि हम सबको पता है कि साइकोलॉजी क्या है. साइकोलॉजी में हम किसकी स्टडी करते हैं? माइंड और ब्रेन की. दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द बिहेवियर एंड मेंटल प्रोसेसेस. इट हेल्प्स understand thought, emotions and actions. When we study psychology, in that time we are capable to understand the thoughts of the another person, understand the emotions and understand the action of the another person, what they are doing, what they want to do, what they have to do. So important for understanding patient feeling and reactions. So as a nurse, when we are studying psychology, why we are studying psychology? We are studying psychology only to understand the behavior of the patient, to understand the thought of the patient, to understand the feeling of the patient, to understand the reaction of the patient. So that's we are studying this psychology. So what is the importance of the psychology? Psychology helps understand patient behavior. What is the patient behavior, what they want to show us, what they want to tell us, to understand and to understand the feeling of the patient, improve communication with the patient, helps manage stress and emotions, build better nurse patient relationship. Branches of the psychology, there are lot of branches of the psychology. Some branches are clinical psychology, that belongs to the clinical areas. Social psychology belongs to the society. Developmental psychology belongs to the developmental growth and development, how happened and how happened. Educational psychology, industrial psychology. So these are the different branches. And there are some methods of the psychology: observation method, experiment method, interview method, case study method, survey method. That is essential for the research purpose. And what is important founders in psychology? The father of the modern psychology is Wilhelm Wundt, and father of the ancient psychology is the Aristotle, and father of the psychoanalysis is Sigmund Freud. So you should remember this name. Wilhelm Wundt is the father of the modern psychology, and Aristotle is the father of the ancient psychology, and Sigmund Freud considered father of the psychoanalysis.